word into house plus upkeep, means keeping of the house. The word house is used because the basic concept of housekeeping was started from a domestic house to keep it clean and gradually adopted at commercial level to maintain high standard of cleanliness and maintenance. And a separate department was created for this called housekeeping. So housekeeping in a hotel can be defined as an operational department which is responsible for cleanliness, maintenance and aesthetic upkeep of rooms, public areas, back areas and the surroundings. Now let's break this definition into parts for easy understanding. Cleaning means removing foreign or unwanted substance such as dirt, dust or any other infectious agents or impurities from an object or environment. Maintenance refers to all the actions taken to prevent an equipment or facility of failing and keeping them in good working condition. Housekeeping will report to the engineering and maintenance department for any kind of failure or repair work related to plumber, carpenter or electrician, etc. Aesthetic upkeep means keeping everything at their place where they should be kept and in good condition so that it looks beautiful and attractive. Cleanliness, maintenance and aesthetic upkeep of rooms. Here rooms refers to guest rooms where the guests are going to stay. Public areas are all those areas where interaction between guest and hotel staff takes place, or you can say these are made for guest use. Some of the examples of public areas are on your screen. Back areas. Back areas are those where hotel employees or staff works in the back. Only authorized personnel are allowed. Examples are on your screen. Surroundings means the space or area around the hotel building. That is also the responsibility of housekeeping department. Now with this, revise the definition. Housekeeping is an operational department which is responsible for cleaning, maintenance and aesthetic upkeep of rooms, public areas, back areas and the surroundings. Now let's proceed further and understand the areas of responsibilities of housekeeping department. As we discussed, primary responsibility is to clean and maintain guest rooms, public areas, back areas and surroundings. The person who clean guest rooms are called guest room attendants and who clean public areas are called public area attendants. Back areas and surroundings are normally maintained by collaborative efforts of all housekeeping attendants. Surrounding area cleaning may be outsourced if area is too large. All housekeeping activities are coordinated from one place called housekeeping control desk. Housekeeping control desk works in close to executive housekeeper office. That's why office of executive housekeeper and control desk are also found side by side. Executive housekeeper is the head of housekeeping department. So all instructions are passed through housekeeping control desk. Control desk supervisor receives all instructions, messages, complaints and also keeps records of what work has been assigned to whom and maintains the journal follow-up of the same. Housekeeping control desk also handles lost and found. Lost and founds are the lost items found in guest rooms, public areas or back areas. These are also submitted at control desk by housekeeping attendants. As EHK office and housekeeping control desk work side by side, let's consider it as one section. For better understanding of different housekeeping staff is laundry. Laundry is the area where all kind of linen is washed and ironed, whether it's a bedsheet, bath towel, tablecloth, runner, etc. Even hotel staff uniform and guest articles are also laundered here. Dry cleaning facility is also provided. A hotel could have its own laundry inside hotel premises called on-premises laundry, or could even make a contract with some outside laundry called off-premises laundry. Once the linen and staff uniforms are laundered, it is sent to linen and uniform room. Remember guys, guest clothes are directly collected and sent from laundry to guest rooms. There is a separate space in laundry to deal with guest laundry articles, and the personnel who deal with guest laundry is called laundry valet. As we already told you, except guest articles, all linen and hotel staff uniforms are sent to linen and uniform room, which is our next section of housekeeping. All linen articles such as bedsheet, towels, pillowcases, tablecloths, etc. are stored in linen room, and alongside linen room there is a uniform room, where uniform of all hotel staff is kept and distributed. Inside the linen and uniform room there is also a showing area too, where the tailor does all work related to stitching, mending, patching, altering, etc. Tailor may be provided a separate cabin, room or simply a showing table with cabinet at the back. Horticulture department. In horticulture, there are two key areas. One is gardening and another is flower arrangement. Gardening is handled by gardeners, who is responsible for landscaping, bushes, hedges, flowers, etc. And flower arrangement is the responsibility of florists to make flower arrangement in all areas of hotels such as guest rooms, lobby, lounge area, banquets, etc. There may be a separate flower room with work tables, sink, cupboards and other required supply, or complete flower arrangement may be outsourced. Next crucial area is pest control. Housekeeping detects the pest in or around the hotel and organizes their control or eradication. Normally this work is now outsourced on contract basis. In the end, we have housekeeping stores and floor pantries. Obviously, housekeeping will handle its own store where housekeeping equipment, cleaning supplies, guest stationeries and amenities are kept. As hotel is a large establishment, so it's not feasible for a housekeeping personnel to come to a common housekeeping store for all his requirement. So many stores are created on each floor called housekeeping pantries for power supply of linen, guest room amenities, cleaning chemicals, etc. so that they don't have to rush to housekeeping store every time and waste their time and energy. Well boys, along with sections and sub-departments, you also covers the key areas of housekeeping. And if you understand sections and key areas, then it will be very easy for you to understand functions and responsibilities of housekeeping department. As discussed, the primary function is cleaning, maintenance and aesthetic upkeep of guest room, public areas, back areas and surrounding. Which brings to our next responsibility, which is coordination. Housekeeping control desk coordinate with all intra and intra-departmental activities related to housekeeping and maintenance. Intra means with other departments such as front office, F&B service, engineering maintenance, sales purchase, etc. And intra-departmental coordination means within its own sub-departments or sections such as laundry, linen uniform room, horticulture, etc. Most close and smooth coordination is required with front office for effective sales and customer satisfaction. Lost and found is also handled by housekeeping control desk. Laundry work such as washing, ironing, dry cleaning of all hotel linen and guest clothes are also done here. Linen and uniform rooms store and issue fresh linen in all hotel areas such as guest room, restaurant, banquet, health club, spa, etc. Along with linen room, we have uniform room too, where soiled uniforms are collected and fresh uniforms are issued to all hotel staff. Maintaining the adequate inventory is also the responsibility of linen and uniform room supervisor. There is also a showing area where tailor desk is placed and all stitching, mending, patching, altering work is done here. Under horticulture, landscaping, bushes, hedges, etc. work is done by gardener and florist is responsible for all kind of flower arrangement in all areas of hotel. Housekeeping is also responsible for all kind of pest control. As told earlier, normally outsourced, but choosing the right contractor is also the responsibility of housekeeping. Another work outsourced is facade cleaning, means cleaning of outside front part of hotel building, which is also the responsibility of